Hey everyone! Welcome to the video. Today, we're going to learn how to create animated charts in Filmora15. Let's get started. Head over to the Effects tab in Filmora. Under Video Effects, you'll see a section called Exclusive. Click on that, and you'll find Animated Charts. You'll see a bunch of chart options, like bar charts, donut charts, column charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Choose any chart you want. Now let's change the data in the bar chart. Go to the Data tab and you'll see 3 columns. To delete them, right-click and select Delete Column. Once you only have 1 column left, you won't be able to delete it anymore, but don't worry. Just right-click and choose Insert Column Right or Insert Column Left to add a new column. Now, you'll be able to delete the old column. Now, you should have at least 3 empty columns. For your data, you'll want 1 column for time like year, and 1 for categories like product type, and the 3rd for values like amount of purchases. These columns will hold your chart's data. So, for example, the year column would have different years, the product type column would have the products, and the amount of purchases column will have the numbers showing how much was sold. When you're done, don't worry about the empty areas in your columns. It won't affect your chart. Don't forget to select the columns on the right, or the chart won't work. Once you've entered all your data, let's move on to customizing the look of your chart. You can choose from different color palettes, or go with light or dark mode. You can also adjust the aspect ratio to fit your project. If you prefer to manually change the colors, go to the Bar section where you can color each bar individually. Next, let's tweak the labels. Under the Labels section, you can change their position, font, and even the label color to match your style. You can also customize the background color and even add a border around your chart. And don't forget to update the header to something that fits your data. Under the Animation section, you can control how fast or slow the bars animate. Adjust the speed until it looks just right for your project. When you're happy with how everything looks, just click Add to Timeline, then export your video. And that's it. You're done.